We typically get a very negative view of culture when we're evangelical. Our evangelical viewpoint is just honed in on America, and we say the American culture is going to hell, which I would agree. This may sound shocking, but I'm going to say it as a pastor. My calling is not to necessarily change the culture. My calling is to introduce individuals to Jesus. That's totally different. And when the church kind of gets those mixed up, when we become culture focused versus individual focused, then it looks like we're losing every day because we don't control culture.